the students of class 5th, welcome back. It is the video of building block section, video part 4 for chapter 5. Okay, now we are going to study about present perfect tense. What is the meaning of present perfect tense? Present perfect tense is the third tense, okay, which belongs to present tense category. First is simple present, then present continuous, and third is for present perfect tense. What is actually the present perfect tense? Present perfect tense is the tense which shows or which gives us an information about an action that has finished right now, or it shows completion of action in present as well as the past. Okay, but in the condition of past, in the condition of present, we know the time is present, and in past the time is not present. That means we don't have the information of the time that when the action was completed in the past. Okay, so a present perfect tense shows the completion of the action. इसके पिछले वाले जो टेंस थे उसमें जो कंटिन्यूअस टेंस था उसमें हमने सुना था कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ एक्शन, उसमें हमने क्या पढ़ा था कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ एक्शन. But the present perfect tense tells us about the completion of the action either in the near present and the time is given, and sometimes in the past, but in that condition the time is not present. Okay, now some examples we will take. Just as I have, she has lost the car keys. The car keys have already. She has lost the car keys. उसने कार की चाबियां खो दी. The work of losing has already been done. Okay. He has just been on the job. Okay. Now the sentences are in present perfect tense. Okay. That action has been mentioned, that the action has been completed, but the time is not given. Okay, so sometimes the time can be given, sometimes the time has not been given. Okay, but it shows the completion of action. Now let's move on to the structure. What is the structure of present perfect tense? The structure which present perfect tense carry is subject plus has for singular, have for plural subject. Okay, subject plus has a plus be third. Always it takes be third plus object. She has lost the keys. उसने चाबियां खो दी हैं. वो चाबियां गुम कर चुकी है. Okay, I have completed my homework. मैं अपना homework पूरा कर चुका हूँ. Okay, so let's move towards the book. We will read something from the book also. This tense is used to show a link between present and past and is commonly used in everyday conversations. So present perfect tense can be used to talk about an action that happened in the past, but you don't know exactly when. An action that started in the past and is still happening, and that action that is completed in the recent past or in recent present. Now only the action which is completed, it is included in the present perfect tense. Okay, so let's move towards the exercise. Tick mark the sentences in the present perfect tense. It is, let's try 6. taken a bus to Delhi. Now it follows the structure of has, have plus V3. Okay, so I have taken, subject plus have, so it is the present perfect tense. We will take it. We found out a thief today, it is past, simple past tense, so it is not, put the wrong sign. I have passed the driving test, again I plus have, simple, it is present perfect tense, so we will take it. Manoj has not returned my book yet, again has not, so we will take it. Sheetal got fever last night. Okay, so again it is the simple past. The flight has just departed, we will take it. Abhinav ate all the biscuits yesterday, it is simple past, we will put a cross. I have been to Red Fort several times, again it is of present perfect tense, we will take it. Now let's try 7 and 8 are homework. Okay, that's all in this part of video. Thanks for listening.